What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And we got hacked. Man. Our Facebook got accessed, and I noticed it was my personal account, and somebody tried to basically like post some Bitcoin stuff or something on the personal account, and it happened at like 3 o'clock in the morning, so somewhere from overseas. What's crazy to me is I have one of these super long secure passwords that Apple creates for my Facebook, and look, I still have access to all of the emails and phone numbers that are attached to the account, but I clicked the hey, somebody accessed so they locked it. And now they're trying to send an SMS code to a phone number I haven't had in 8 years, because I guess I didn't delete the old numbers from the account. Even though the new numbers are there, I'm screwed. Now, it could get resolved in the future, but knowing Facebook, I sincerely doubt they're going to fix it. That's just me. So we went ahead and created a new Facebook group and a new Facebook page. Major shout out to my dude Randy, who was able to help me with the other pages, because he was the admin over there from Auto Auction Rebuilds. I appreciate his help. And so if you want to be part of the new Facebook page and or the Facebook group, I'm gonna put links in the description down below. Gotta be fun. Now, I know you guys are gonna say, TK, I know you're not gonna let that take that laying down. I'm not. I did reach out to some friends at Fort Meade that work at the NSA and asked for their assistance on it. They'll probably reach out to their contacts in Facebook, and they possibly could fix it. And if that is the case, cool. But being that the older information and that stuff is on that account, I'm probably just going to leave it disabled or closed anyway and just move forward with the new account. There's a lot of people that you're still friends with on Facebook that you really don't fuck with anymore. And that was the case for me too. So it's good to get a fresh start. Now, full disclosure, you guys are more than welcome to, follow the page and be a member in the group. But I'm super selective of who I accept to follow the personal account. So don't take that personally. Like if somebody sends me a friend request and I don't approve that, like it's literally for like people that I physically know and family. That's about it. But anywho's, there you have it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content that's been coming the last few days, and this is kind of just an update post. I'll probably drop it in the afternoon for you, and we'll go from there. But yeah, man, it's been crazy. I sure as hell didn't need this right before the end of 2021. What a year, right? Everything's been great this year, and then to wrap it up with this type of bullshit. Fun times, right? Anywho's, that's gonna do it for me. Just a quick video. I know my haters are gonna rejoice and laugh, but look, let me just keep it real with y'all haters that are hating right now. Hate bums. Here's the thing. There was only 1,500 people following the page or the group. If I really apply myself and push it hard, I can have the new page over that in a week. But I wasn't really focusing on Facebook, to be honest. And that's partially on me. But we'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes. I think maybe I'll start posting some content or different stuff over on Facebook. But I'm going to be honest, man. Facebook and in that as well, Instagram are like my third and fourth platforms. They're back. It's YouTube and TikTok. Actually, it's TikTok first. TikTok's my biggest platform now. And in case you didn't know, shocking news, TikTok passed YouTube for the most watched video platform this week. Whoa. So, yeah, absolutely nuts. But anyways, we got it fixed. Like I said, new Facebook page, new Facebook group is up. I am actively accepting people when they come through. And I hope to see you guys over there. See y'all on the next one. Peace. Whoopee!